Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
You are going to love the 2019 Countryman. The Countryman is a bright idea. 4 doors, more interior space, and positioning that evokes the rally heritage of the original Mini. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power tailgate, panoramic moonroof, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.